Hey friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this easy Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to place text above and below an arrow in Word for diagrams, flowcharts, process charts, educational notes and professional diagrams. This trick is perfect for making your arrows move in formatting and visually organized. So let's get started. Now I want to add this on my assignment. Go to the page where I added this. Then we can see here. Then I firstly go to the insert menu, click the equation option, then type the format of the formula. Now I type first the backslash on your keyboard, upper the enter key, then type RIGHT arrow, right arrow, then press space bar, then again write backslash and type the below and press the space bar, then type the text which you get below on the arrow into the bracket on first bracket, then write, now I am write back, then attach the bracket, then press enter, then go back again, then write, add the backslash again, then write below above, then write spacebar again, then start the first bracket and write your text. Now I am write text space and lock the first bracket, then press enter, then we can see the text. Now I am increase the size of the text. Now we can see we write text up and down on the arrow easily. Otherwise you can make it another way. Go to the insert menu, then click the text box option and click a draw text box, then go to the shape drop down menu and we can see here the arrow shape. Now I am write the arrow inside the text box, select the arrow shape, go to the format menu, click outline, make it black and increase the white of the arrow, then write text above and below, copy the text box, then select the multiple text box, go to the format menu and make the outline no outline. Now we can see we make it very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.